CFOs are about to spend $2.5 trillion on AI this year. $2.5 trillion. But here's the part nobody puts in the headline. Only 21% of them can actually prove it is working. So today, I am going to show you what the data really says, and what it means if you run a small business. Let's start with the hype, because the hype is loud. According to Thornton, 68% of CFOs are increasing their tech and AI budgets in 2026. Deloitte says 87% believe AI will be extremely important to finance this year. Gartner is forecasting worldwide AI spending at $2.52 trillion, so the money is moving, no question about that. Every finance leader in every boardroom is raising their hand and saying, yes, we are doing the AI thing. But here's where it gets interesting. Saying you believe in AI and proving AI is delivering results are two very different conversations. Because when you dig into the same surveys, the numbers tell a different story. Deloitte found that only 21% of CFOs using AI can point to clear, measurable ROI. That is 1 in 5. PwC went even further. 56% of CEOs said AI has delivered no significant financial benefit yet, more than half. And Gartner just published a report on March 24th saying CFOs need to fundamentally rethink how they even measure AI returns, because the old metrics are not capturing what is actually happening. So you have got nearly everyone spending, almost everyone saying it matters, and a clear majority who cannot prove it is paying off. That is a gap you could drive a truck through. And here is one more number that should concern you. Only 14% of finance teams have fully integrated AI agents into their operations. And 22% say nobody at their company is even leading AI adoption. Nobody, no owner, no champion. Just budget going out the door with no one steering. Now, it is not all bad news. There are real wins showing up in specific areas. Accounts payable automation jumped from 7% adoption to 29% in a single year. That is real traction in a real workflow. HPE, Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, built an internal AI tool they call Alfred. It is an agentic AI system that handles parts of their financial reporting cycle, and it cut that cycle by 40%. That is not a pilot. That is production. Gina Mastantuono, CFO of ServiceNow, put it well. She said, in 2026, AI will be judged less on promise and more on proof. And that is exactly what we are seeing. The companies getting results are the ones picking a specific process, automating it properly, and measuring the outcome. Not the ones buying an AI platform and hoping something good happens. So here is why this matters if you are a small business owner. All of these enterprise CFOs are essentially running the experiments for you. They are spending billions to validate which finance workflows AI actually improves. And the answer is becoming clear. Accounts payable, transaction categorization, financial reporting, anomaly detection, cash flow forecasting. Those are the use cases that work. The good news is, you do not need a $2 billion budget to act on that. Most of these capabilities already exist inside tools you are probably paying for. QuickBooks, your banking platform, your expense management software. And honestly, you can move faster than these big companies because you do not have 6 layers of approval and an 18-month implementation timeline. And honestly, you can move faster than these big companies because you do not have 6 layers of approval and an 18-month implementation timeline. The question is not whether you should use AI in your finances. The question is, which part of your financial workflow should AI handle first? If you are not sure where to start, that is exactly the kind of conversation we have with clients at Astral Tech Advisors. Drop a comment and tell me, are you using any AI tools in your financial workflow right now? And if not, what is holding you back? I genuinely want to know. I'm Fred from Astral Tech Advisors. Subscribe for more breakdowns like this every week, and I'll see you in the next one.